Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram app. Connect your phone to the Wi-Fi and then open your Google Play Store. When you open the Google Play Store, you can see different apps available. If you look at the bottom right corner, you will see a search icon. Tap on the search icon. After that, a search bar will appear on the top of your screen. Tap on the search bar and type Telegram. When the app appears, tap on Install. When you tap on the install, the download and installation will begin automatically. It will take a few seconds to fully install the app. When the app is installed, you can simply tap it open here directly, or you can also find it later in the app drawer. So it is this simple to install Telegram app. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.